Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video where we'll be looking at the Measure tool within MapThat. Before we explore the Measure tool, let's use the Bookmark tool to zoom to and display our Liverpool Planning Apps layer. Then for the Map tools, open up the Measure tool. In MapThat we can measure simple multi-line distances, we can place a new shape to measure, and we can also measure existing map features. Firstly, using the multi-point line, left-click in the map to draw your measurement line. Notice on the left-hand side, the Measure tool, the distance is being updated. As you measure, you can drag the map to keep measuring along your road. You can also use a mouse wheel to zoom out, and then maybe to zoom in again to more easily and accurately draw your measurement line. To finish the measurement, double left-click. The line turns red, and the final distance value is calculated. Next, let's use the Place Shape tool, and again left click to start to measure. On the left hand side, both the perimeter and square area are auto calculated. Double left click or click onto the start point to complete the area, and the final measurement values are then calculated. You can change the measurement units at the bottom to then recalculate the values, for example the area into acres. Let's clear the map and set the units back to meters. This time we're going to utilise the snapping options by ticking the snapping box. We can then choose from the list of layers we wish to snap to, in this example Liverpool's master map data. We'll now zoom into the Ordnance Survey map base to find a building to measure. As we hover over the features, notice the Measure tool is now snapping to the Ordnance Survey features. These could be the edges of a building, a road, as well as the sides of buildings. Each time we left click, it's snapping to an existing vertices. This then allows us to create as accurate measurements as possible. Finally, let's zoom out to the Roundabout feature where we have a planning application. And this time we're going to use the Measure Existing Object option. Firstly, we'll measure one individual planning application. Once we click on the map feature, the area and perimeter values are auto-calculated on the left. If we now choose the All Objects radio button, this time we can select multiple planning applications one by one, and the cumulative area and perimeter values are updated each time we click on a map feature.